Hey guys, welcome to Project Viram, The Foundations. The purpose of this course is to give you a thorough understanding of the inner workings of dropshipping and basically walk you through the entire process of starting a store, making sales, and creating the infrastructure required to scale. Now, we didn't want to just show you guys the technical aspects of things, but we wanted to also teach you the fundamentals and theory behind marketing on Facebook so that you can use the strategies that we give you as a good foundation, but then apply the principles and knowledge within the course to start coming up with your own methods. Not only that, but we spent over a month developing the back-end portion of the course, because while marketing is a very important aspect, I think that most people are missing the biggest piece of the puzzle when it comes to dropshipping. Because regardless of how good you are at marketing, you will never truly be able to scale if you don't have a proper back-end system in place. Which is why we've gone the extra length to cover everything you need to know when it comes to setting up enterprise level systems that will give you the infrastructure you need to scale to 7 figures and beyond. This course is perfect for all levels of dropshippers, from beginners all the way to seasoned veterans. We've covered almost everything from the most basic topics all the way to advanced scaling strategies that will help you reach 7 figures and beyond. To get started, we've included a setup checklist in an Excel format that will guide you through all the necessary steps you need to take in order to create your store. The link to the Excel sheet will be provided in the notes either above or below this video. Now, depending on how experienced you are with dropshipping, you may want to skip through some of the initial modules. Regardless, the pacing you take with the course is up to you, and in my opinion, I think there's value in every single module, independent of your skill level. So the course curriculum is as follows. In Module 1, I'll be covering how to join the private Facebook group, as well as a small segment on motivation and mindset required to succeed. In Module 2, I'll cover how we select products. In Module 3, I'll go over basic store setup and design. In Module 4, I'll be going over in-depth Facebook ads theory, which I recommend everyone to take a very careful look at. In my opinion, learning the fundamentals of how Facebook works has been the key to my success and the reason why I've been able to adapt to Facebook changes so quickly. In Module 5, I'll cover the exact Facebook ad strategies we use to scale to 7 figures and more. We've included 2 new bonus methods called the Infinity Scale and the Ultra Method, which I'm sure will blow you away. Now in Module 6, Richard will cover everything that you need to know to build efficient systems to automate almost every aspect of your business. He'll cover how to find private suppliers, managing your cash flow, dealing with refunds, setting up your CRM, hiring employees, dealing with processors, and much more. And finally, in Module 7, Richard will go over influencer marketing that's allowed him to scale multiple 7-figure brands. We hope that by the end of this course, you'll have the foundations to create and sustain a successful dropshipping business. Thank you guys for checking out this intro, and I'll see you guys in the rest of the course. Peace.